Hi, I'm Aaron from 2H Media, and in this video, I want to talk about how a family-run Canadian clothing store is selling $1,000 suits through Shopify. A few years ago, we had the pleasure of helping Sidonio's, a high-end men's clothing store, launch their new website on Shopify. Selling luxury products online can be a complex and challenging task. These products often have a higher price point and require an enhanced level of trust between the business and the customer. Customers need to really get a feel for the products before making a purchase, and businesses need a way to display their products online that reflects their high-end brands. That's where we came in. By using Shopify, we were able to quickly and efficiently develop an online store for Sidonio's that reflects their brand and allows them to sell their $1,000 plus suits online. The store features high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and engaging layouts that make it easier for customers to browse the store and familiarize themselves with the products they might be interested in. It also includes a secure payment gateway and user-friendly checkout process so that customers can make their purchases with confidence. In addition to online sales, the store also allows customers to book a fitting at Sidonio's brick-and-mortar retail location, making it easier for them to find time to try on the suits and get the perfect fit. Since launching with Shopify, Sidonio's has seen a significant increase in online sales and bookings for fittings, allowing them to grow their business and reach a wider audience. At 2H Media, we specialize in building Shopify websites that sell luxury products. If you're selling a luxury product, I encourage you to book a strategy call with one of our experts. We'll take the time to get to know your business, develop a plan that makes sense for you, and answer your burning questions so that you can move forward with confidence. If that sounds impactful, then book a strategy call. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.